How to make flat white latte, step by step. Take your portafilter, wipe off water inside. Then use scale and tare your portafilter. Today we will use Ethiopia coffee beans. Fill your grinder with some coffee. Start grinding your coffee, 20 grams in. Professional barista, use scale all the time. Our espresso is ready now. Wore my picture for using pour latte art. Started steam and milk. Remember, good temperature of milk is 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Then stop steaming and plunge your steamer and wipe off the water. Ready to pour latte art. Your espresso and steamed milk ready. Pour little milk. Mix first before start latte art. Mix and mix. Slow down and pour gently, wiggler wiggler, then small heart.